Okay, so this is a video I'm making about floor mats. I have a 2004 Mercedes Benz E500 and the floor mats have gone bad, and I'll show you what I mean by that. But they seem to be really expensive if I try to get the original floor mats. So this is the original floor mat. It's got the logo for Mercedes Benz and everything, and it's of a certain shape. The shape is not really an issue, and it's carpeted. And what happens is I just finished cleaning the base floor of the car. It looks much cleaner now, but you see all these black deposits on the carpet. I probably might need to get it shampooed, or I'll shampoo it myself. But essentially what happens is the original floor mats, they get bad, and the base of the floor mat is made of some kind of I don't know what this material is, like a rubber that with the heat it sort of is brittle, and then it sort of falls off, and then it creates all these black deposits. And so this floor mat just makes a huge mess after a while. It's probably the original floor mat. And I found some floor mats which were more affordable, and they were like all weather ones. This is not carpet, of course, but I don't mind that. But the main issue is these original floor mats have these kind of clips, the grommets, clips or grommets, I don't know what you call them. There's a part number also over there. So basically, to keep the floor mat from moving around when your feet are on it, it's got these grommets, and these they hold onto these two clip like things over here. So but the replacement ones don't have that, and the replacement ones can be trimmed to be of a certain shape, but they don't have those grommets. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm thinking of removing these clips or grommets. I don't know if there's a way to do that. Pry it open with a screwdriver or something. Save the grommets. There's probably a cap or something, so it can probably be clipped off, and then make a hole of the same size in these rubber all-season floor mats, and then hopefully I can just reuse that clipping mechanism. That might work, so I'm planning to try that. So I just cleaned using a vacuum cleaner, and it was a huge mess, these black deposits. I'll show you on the other side what it looks like. It's pretty bad. And so this is on the passenger side. This is the original floor mats that are dirty, but what happens is this. See, it makes a huge mess, black, and you just have to clean it using a vacuum, and then this floor mat itself gets bad. These deposits, they keep coming off, and then basically the floor mat is useless. So I have to throw it away, and then also clean the bottom of it. So that's why I'm replacing these floor mats.